Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about integration. About x to the power of 5, that is about x to the power of 4 multiplied by x. This one, that is about x squared everything to the power of 2. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, because we have s squared, so I will put number 4 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so you got the u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have 2x. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change for this one. This one we change for u. S, the s we change for this one. Now we need to expand this one. So this one divided by u, u divided by u. This one we keep the same. And now we have the final answer. The integration of u, that is about u squared over number 2. The next one, that is about u. The next one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.